There's 5 things that you want to do in order to get a mortgage with bad credit. Let's go. Hi, my name's Alex Kerr. I'm a qualified mortgage broker and my passion is simplifying the mortgage process and leading you to mortgage success. Let's get into the vid. 1. Whatever your situation, whether you have just a few missed payments or a default, county court judgment, IVA or bankruptcy, is to stop the bleeding. What I mean by that is get a clear runway of at least 6 months, but ideally 12, without any more adverse credit events on your credit file. As soon as you can get that, you may start to have mortgage options. Recent adverse credit is a killer for a mortgage. Adverse credit is fine. The further away it is from you, the better, as you can then demonstrate to the mortgage lender that green shoots are coming through. 2. Communicate with any of your credit providers. The worst thing you can do is ignore phone calls, ignore letters, etc. And I do understand that fear can be part of that. But the quicker you can face the situation, talk to your creditors, then you often find that they may put the account on hold for a few weeks. They will definitely try and help. If you do nothing, the problem will escalate and become larger. Missed payments will turn into defaults, defaults will turn into county court judgments, and so on. 3. Don't get missed payments or a default for £20 or something like that because you disagree with a bill and begrudgingly don't pay it. That £20 then turns into missed payments, that turns into a default. This will harm your mortgage much more than it's worth. Just pay the small bill and move on. 4. Be aware that the following actions can set you back in your mortgage journey. A debt management plan. If you take a debt management plan out, then the mortgage lender will want to see 12 months worth of payments without any of them missed. So if you know you want to take a mortgage out, taking a debt management plan out just before will not be a good idea because you will need to wait at least another 12 months. Payday loans. If you take a payday loan, it will completely need to be repaid before a mortgage lender will look at you at least 12 months ago. So if you take a payday loan out, once it's paid, you're not going to have any mortgage options for at least 12 months. Now, I get it. Sometimes we can't avoid these things in life, and if it does happen, don't get disheartened. We all go through difficult situations in life. It's just about rolling your sleeves up and doing your best you can in a difficult situation. And it will pass. Light is always at the end of the tunnel. 5. Reducing your debt as much as you can will always help, as your debt to income ratio can't be too high, ideally 20% or below. That's 20% of your annual salary. So a £40,000 salary is £8,000 worth of debt. Mortgage lenders will allow you to go up to around 35 to 40%, but if you're at this limit, the mortgage application is going to be scrutinised a lot more. Just remember that adverse credit only stays on your account for 6 years, which in terms of a mortgage is not that long because a mortgage can be anywhere up to 40 years. If you've got defaults and county court judgments, the sweet spot is once they are 3 years old, you will have more mortgage options. Whether you've got missed payments or a bankruptcy, the deposit you need could vary from 5% to 30%. I'm in the middle of making a complete mentorship program for people with adverse credit that, when finished, will help you throughout the whole process, no matter what situation you are in, give you direction moving forward, instructions on how to prepare yourself for an adverse credit mortgage, and my go-to mortgage lenders I've used throughout my mortgage career. So you can make those homeowner dreams come true. Now, we've made the first part of the course, which is already made completely free. It will help you understand your adverse credit and the deposit you will need. It's called Bad Credit File Expert Lite. You can download this completely free of charge in the description below. And once the full mentorship program is ready, we will let you know. The first 100 people to buy will receive big discounts and extra bonuses. Just sign up to the free course below. So to provide you with a bit of a summary, the best chance of getting an adverse credit mortgage is by having a good employment history, clean credit for at least 1 year, and dependent on your situation, a deposit of anywhere from 5 to 30%. The free course does go into the deposit in much more detail and will pinpoint exactly what you need to do, so be sure to download that. It categorises you into one of 3 categories so you know which one you are. If you've got any adverse credit and have any questions whatsoever, just let me know in the comments below and feel free to book a free no obligation chat. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. So thanks for watching today's video. Please check out the show notes for a recap with access to any links discussed today. And if you feel like you're getting value, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell to receive notifications so we can carry on providing you with value. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.